In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can switch back to personal account from business account. So if you have business account and you want to switch back to personal account, just follow these simple steps and you will be able to do that. Now, the first thing, guys, you need to do is to click three little lions in the top right. And after that, you want to click on settings. Now, a few different options will come up here. You want to click on account, okay? Now, after you click on account, you want to scroll down at the very bottom. It says here, switch account type. Click on switch account type and you will find a few different options. Now, if you want to switch to creator account, you can select the second option. But if you want to switch back to personal account, you want to select the first option. Click again on switch to personal account. Wait for it just like a few seconds before they can take you back to your personal account. As you can switch to personal account, now you will have personal account. You will not have that features that business account offers. You will only have like normal features that all accounts have. Now, I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help or anything, I reply every single time to every comment. So you guys